Hi friends, welcome to Maxnote channel. Today's topic is simplification. Find the value of 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4 into 1 minus 1 by 5 etc. 1 minus 1 by 100 equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 cross multiplication 1 into 3, here also cross multiplication, here also cross multiplication. 1 into 3 already minus 1 divided by 3. Here 1 into 4 minus 1 minus 1 by 4. Here 1 into 5 minus 1 by 5 etc. 1 into 100 minus 1 by 100 or 2 by 3. 4 minus 1 3 by 4. 5 minus 1 4 by 5 etc. 99 by 100. Here 3 3's are cancelled, 4 cancel, here also 5. Next term வரும் d 5 by 6 கிடைக்கும் மேபி. இப்போ கேன்சல் ஆகிடும். அதே மாதிரி ப்ரீவியஸ் டேர்மில் இந்த 99 வந்து கேன்சல் ஆகிடும். இப்போ ரிமைனிங் வேல்யூ இஸ் 2 by 100. So we can cancel 2 1 time, 100 is 50 times. So answer is 1 by 50. Thank you friends.